In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get previous content in Genspark AI Desktop. To begin, open your browser and go to Genspark AI by searching for it online. If that's the easiest way for you to find it, simply type in the platform name and look through the search results. This is a good starting point, especially if you don't already have the site bookmarked or pinned in your browser. Once the search results appear, click on the official Genspark website. You're looking for the result labeled as Genspark, described as an all-in-one AI workspace. Choosing the official listing is important so you land on the correct platform and avoid any unrelated pages. After you click it, give the site a moment to load completely so all of the interface elements are visible. When you're on the Genspark homepage or inside the desktop interface, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. There, you should see the main vertical navigation area. Look for the menu icon that appears as two horizontal lines. This icon is commonly used to open a sidebar or expand navigation options, so if the layout looks compact at first, that's completely normal. Go ahead and click that two-line menu icon. This will open the navigation panel, which is typically where you can access different sections of your workspace, including older or previously created content. If you don't immediately see what you need, make sure the sidebar has fully expanded and that nothing is collapsed. That's the basic process for getting to your previous content in Genspark AI Desktop. The key is getting to the official site, opening the workspace, and using the left side menu to reveal the navigation options you need.